Hi, it's Liberty at Century Farms. It's January 22nd, 2022. It's been exactly 1 month since we've had the house, so I'm going to take you through and show you where we're at today. In one way, this month has flown by. In another way, it feels like it's been 6 months instead of 1 month. So this room still looks the same as it did when we purchased it. Over here, which is going to be the exercise room, we have some of our kitchen cabinets, a whole bunch of drywall and green board. The floor has been mostly repaired except for one board right down there. In the bathroom, we have a curtain on the window and a new toilet. That bathroom will get redone later on. We have some appliances in their boxes in the living room. We have more kitchen cabinets, and we haven't done a lot in here yet. In the kitchen, we had to take this wall down, and it has its first coat of primer on it. So we're hoping to put that second coat on today and maybe even a color. So I didn't paint that corner because cabinets will go there. We have some people coming to help us today, so by the end of today, we'll have a lot more done. All right, we're gonna go up the stairs. The dining room isn't much different except we took out the ceiling panels, and there's the flooring for the kitchen. All right. Upstairs, I painted this ceiling grid yesterday, along with the kitchen and the ceiling grid in the kitchen yesterday. Craft room, haven't done much in here yet. It has a lot of dust from carrying things through to throw out the window. And that's where we finally put a ramp to throw stuff out. All right, this is where we've done most of our work. Taking out all these bathroom walls. That was a ton of work. We had help, but it was still a lot of work. Ceiling, this will be our future bedroom. This will be the schoolroom. This will be the laundry room. We took out that ceiling. We're gonna have a pass-through from the bathroom to the laundry room for the clothes. Just a small square, not that big of a gap. This will be my son's room, and we had to take out the plaster ceiling in here too. So that was a ton of work. My husband and I did that. And today we hope to get the rest of this wallpaper off of the stairwell. So that's it. We're looking forward to stop demoing and getting stuff done instead. We hope to get the kitchen done real soon. All right, and we're back to the exercise room. Thanks for watching.